The Roborock Q10 S5 Vacuum offers a remarkable 70 days of hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying station, ideal for busy households and pet owners. Featuring a powerful 10,000 Pascal suction system, it efficiently removes pet hair, crumbs, and debris from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. Its dual anti-tangle system, consisting of a JawScrapers Comb main brush and a specialized side brush, minimizes hair tangling to ensure smooth operation and less frequent maintenance. The VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, with dual-zone sonic vibration technology, scrubs floors up to 3,000 times per minute, effectively lifting the mop on carpets for seamless transitions. Smart carpet care, enhanced by ultrasonic detection, intelligently identifies carpets to avoid wetting and automatically increases suction for deeper cleaning. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus ensures precise route planning and efficient cleaning across different floors, all controlled via a convenient app.